Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the another podcast for GATE Aerospace Support. Guys, see, today's topic is how to manage your college study with GATE Aerospace preparation. This is very hot topic. See, this problem is faced by second year student, third year student, and final year student. You may be thinking that you can prepare for any exam like UPSC or GATE or any other exams if you are totally free. Many of you may be thinking that because you are struggling in your second year, third year, or fourth year internship or some other programs, because of that, you may not prepare well for GATE Aerospace. Believe me, I have qualified GATE 6 times. I have qualified GATE when I was pursuing my degree. I have completed properly all the academics. I am teaching GATE Aerospace from 8 plus years. I have given so many toppers. I am running full-fledged coaching center. My experience says, in detail I am talking now, see, you need a proper guidance with proper scheduled slot. Actually, it is like a proper training. So if you are joining under me, then it does not matter in which semester you are. As per your time remaining and as per your demand, I will suggest you which course is suitable for you, and you should join live classes or you should join video courses, what kind of material you are going to study once you are joining me. It is my duty, it is my way of guiding you which portion you are going to prepare, which portion you are going to leave. It depends, everything depends on your own time remaining. See guys, I teach GATE Aerospace program for 2 years as well, for 1 year program and crash course. In most of the time students are joining 1 year program and then students are joining crash course program. You will not believe number of students joining crash course program are huge. Last year more than 80 students joined crash course program, and last year more than roughly 60, roughly sorry, I am forgetting the figure, but it was roughly 60 or less than 60. This much like these number of students, they took video courses. Okay, and I think 45 students were there in 1 year regular batch program. So from several years, I have a data what kind of students. See, I'm not saying I am completely a data scientist for this particular thing, but still, I have enough data to guide you in detail properly. So my point is, if you are a second year student, third year student, you are in third semester, fourth semester, fifth semester, sixth semester, or anyway if you are in seventh or eighth semester. So see, anyway if you are in seventh and eighth, then anyway you have to prepare. So many like some students are in fifth or sixth sem, they are willing to prepare. Third and fourth, they are willing to prepare. What is the right time to start GATE preparation? Once you are in third semester, you should start your GATE preparation. Okay, and what to do, how much to do, how many hours you have to study, everything depends on your individual time. Means some students may find 3 hours in a day, some may find 2 hours in a day, some may find only 1 hour in a day. Some may find that, sir, regular days I will not be like in work day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like these kind of days I am not able to study, but Saturday, Sunday I am free. So according to your available time, I will suggest you the courses. Okay, like if you say, sir, today I have this much time, tomorrow I have that much time, and in this week these many hours I can. So according to your available time, I am going to tell you, okay, you complete these portions, and after that you ask all the doubts. See, best way is when you are joining my course at random time, when any new batch is not about to start or some batches are already running and you are joining that batch. So see guys, it will be a difficult task to you to complete if you are joining any course. That's why in my coaching center, I give everyone like a gym. I will give you your own schedule and your own track. It's like when you join gym, according to the member who is joining the gym, dieting plan will be different. Everyone will not reach to the gym in same time. Everyone will not have the same requirement. Everyone will not stay in the gym for same hours. Same very similar situation we have with you guys. Okay, some of you may be in second semester like that. According to your available timing and slots, I will decide course for you. So again, I have all types of comfortable courses. Just before 2 days I have started a new batch. Just before 2 days, that batch is suitable for all types of students, whoever wants to start gate preparation. Okay, just before 2 days, like today is 27th, so 25th we had day 1 aerodynamics class, 26th we had day 2 aerodynamics class. This is a new batch. Okay, and other than that, whatever batches are running, in those batches syllabus will get over by the mid of October month. So in those batches you cannot join. So this is a new fresh batch I have started. So you guys can now see. Some of you may be thinking, sir, if I take only the video course, can I prepare well? So see guys, if you are taking only video course, then of course my video course is sufficient, because this video course is the same course what I am teaching in the live class. Same thing I have recorded. Okay, whatever I teach in live class, same material I will be providing you if you are taking the video course. Video course means it is not a separately recorded course. No. Whatever I am teaching in live class, same thing will be delivered to you, will be given to you. Okay, all the study material, all the books, PDFs, whatever is required, notes, formula book, everything. Okay, and test series. And after that, not only this much, my 24-hour support will be there. In this 24-hour, I am removing that time in which I am taking gate classes and in which time I am sleeping. Okay, other than that, I don't do anything. It's not like, always remember, I am not taking gate classes part-time like others. Okay, most of the time, you can say mostly, whoever other people are giving you coaching for gate, how are they doing? They are actually doing part-time. They work in different companies, they come in night time and they take gate classes. And I can give you 100% challenge, you cannot find anyone like me. See, what is my USP, why my coaching is different? Because I can support you like a personal tuition. No one can do this. Why? Because other people are busy in their coaching, in their company, they are not free in daytime. So you can't call them personally, you can't call them separately for doubt session. When my student is calling me for doubt session, that time I am receiving their call, I am calling them, and we are having unlimited doubt session. Half an hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hour, whatever, it depends on your doubt. Okay, so we have timing for the classes we take in night time, 8:30. Why? Because till 8:30 everyone used to be free, like from college life and this thing. Now I run classes only 3 days in week. Okay, and remaining time you guys can call me for your doubts, and of course everything is happening. That's why students are trusting in me, I'm giving result and I'm helping them every day. It's not like you can only ask doubts on WhatsApp. No, you can call me, you can talk to me in detail for your doubts. This is my USP. Okay, you can so best part is, if you have not started your preparation yet, immediately you contact me on my WhatsApp number 6380135260. My name is VK Srivastav. My students call me Viru sir. Okay, VIRU, Viru sir. Now next thing, when you are calling me or texting me on WhatsApp, you just mention that, sir, I am in this semester, third semester, fourth semester, and my name is this, I am from this college, and I want to prepare for GATE Aerospace exam. So, and I can study 2 hours every day, 1 hour every day, 3 hours every day. So which course I should join, and I will guide you in detail once you are joining the course. So in that case, the first part is, believe me, you should prepare. I will teach you like a personal coaching, personal tuition. Okay, every individual will be having different schedule. Every individual, someone will join me today itself, someone will join me after 10 days, again someone will join after 10 days, someone will join me in September month. So for every student, situation will be different, time available will be different. Then I will guide you which portion you should study, which portion you should leave. Whatever portion I am assigning you to study, in that portion, when you will be having doubts, I will explain your doubts in detail, completely in detail. So now question is, how third semester, fourth semester, fifth semester, sixth, seventh, eighth semester, these people are going to balance their college study with GATE preparation. So guys, this is not your job, this is my job. Okay, I will suggest you ideas, I will suggest you how many portions you should cover so that you can easily crack GATE exam. Okay, already several students they have done coaching under me. You can just visit on my YouTube channel, spend few days on my channel, and you will come to know the way I have given all the study material, the way I have taken classes, everything. You can, and you can easily judge me watching my lectures. Okay, you can also, so best part, I will tell you one thing. You just type aircraft structure day 1 concept library. So 2023, for 2023 batch I am taking classes, right? So I have uploaded day 1 class completely on YouTube. It is public for aircraft structure, so you just go there. You can also treat this as a demo class. Not only this, from last several years, almost every topic I have uploaded on YouTube from the live class, whatever I am talking. You just go to my playlist. In the playlist, everything I have given. Or simple thing, you just text me on WhatsApp, and I will give you link of all the playlists, so it will be easier for you. Okay, so I hope I am very clear that how to manage your college with GATE preparation. It will be difficult for you because you are beginner, but it is not difficult for me, so I can guide you in detail. Okay, whatever experience I have, whatever study material, video courses, live classes, doubt sessions, revision batches, crash course batches, you can take benefits of everything. Many of you may be thinking, sir, currently like after 1 month I have exam, after 2 months I have exam, today I have exam. So see guys, actually these exam situations will be every time. You will never be completely free for GATE preparation, never. After completing your engineering degree, that time also many people are taking drops, but still family situations, weather conditions, health issues, like you will not be having 100% idle time to prepare for GATE exam. You have to find time. So now problem is, it will be difficult for you to find out time. Okay, but I can guide you easily. And then that is only, like in Hindi there is a word called guru. Okay, guru, I'm not saying I'm that kind of a spiritual guru, I'm just giving you one example. See here, this guru we split. This gu means andhakar, darkness. This ru means prakash, enlightenment. So I will take you from this gu to this ru, from andhakar to prakash, from darkness to enlightenment, about GATE studies. I hope I am clear. Thank you. See you next podcast.